Number 1 said it took 32 minutes for Tara to walk to the store, 56 minutes to do her shopping, and 32 minutes to walk home. How many hours was Tara gone? So the first thing we need to do is how many minutes there are total. So we need to add 32 plus 56 plus 32. And then we need to find out how many hours there are. So since we know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, we have to divide this answer by 60. So now to actually solve, we need to add together first. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So she was gone for 120 minutes. Now we have to divide 120 by 60. 60 goes into 122 times, so she was gone for 2 hours total. Number 2 says make an estimate and then solve. So if I were going to estimate, I would do 300 times 20. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 3 zeros. It would be around 6,000. For the second one, I would do 500 times 30. 5 times 3 is 15. Add those 3 zeros, around 15,000. Now to actually solve, I'm going to focus on my ones first. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So now that I'm done with my ones, I'm going to move on to my tens. Since I'm in my tens place, I need to put a 0 in my ones place. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Add together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7,176. The next one says 496 times 2. Again, I looked just at my 2 first. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Moving on to my tens, put my 0. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry my 1. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1 is 28. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Add together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 1 is 18. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 15,872. Number 3 says which expression shows 5,892 in expanded form? Circle the best answer. So the first one is 5,000, or 5 times 10 to the third, which if we look is only the first one. So the best answer, without even moving on, is A. Number 4 says find the volume of the prism. Use the formula volume equals length times width times height. So if I'm looking at the length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So the volume is 150 units cubed. And number 5 says, what method did you use to multiply in problem 2a, and why did you choose that method? When I did problem 2a, I used US traditional multiplication because to me, I find it the easiest. If you used a different method to find it, please say which method you chose and why you chose it.